Hello, Adams. Happy Friday. We're going to finish up our government unit today with a little vote. So you are going to take a stance today and decide which of these candidates better represent your opinions, your beliefs, your views. So candidate number 1, his name is Bill Nixon. He is 57 years old. He's married. He has 2 children. He used to be a governor, and he is a lawyer. So here are Bill's beliefs. He wants to increase federal programs, so that would be our country's government, to help fight homelessness. So he wants to increase some benefits to help out the homeless people that live in our country. He also wants to increase minimum wage, so he wants the lowest amount you can make to be higher, so people would make more money for their work. He wants tighter gun control, so Bill wants people to have, background checks. He wants it to not be easy to just go to the store and get a gun. He wants to make sure that the right people are getting a gun. He wants to improve education. And he is against cutting programs for inner city schools. So a lot of the time, city schools are the first schools to get those budget cuts. And Bill is against that. He thinks that the inner city needs those programs to help those students learn and grow. All right, our second candidate. His name is Ronald Ford. He is 46 years old. He's married. He has 3 children, and he used to be a senator, and he is a businessman. So Ronald wants to cut taxes for all Americans. So he thinks that we're paying too much taxes. It needs to be cut, which also means that some benefits would be cut, and perhaps the budget would need to be cut as well. He wants to give more power to the state, not the federal government. So he thinks that more decisions should be made based on the state level, which means that New York might have completely different laws than Florida, which might have completely different laws than Kentucky. It would depend on the state you live in, not the country. He also favors a strong military. He thinks that we need to give more money from our taxes to the military. And he wants to have tough punishments for criminals. So he thinks that they should have long jail time. He thinks that if you commit a crime, you should have a very harsh punishment for that. So a reminder, remember to give reasons for the candidate you choose. Your vote matters. Make sure it represents your opinion and your voice. Okay. Questions. So I gave you the slides again, so you can go back really quickly and see what the points are that they made. So you're going to tell me which candidate you vote for. Either one's correct. It's your opinion. So tell me, do you want Bill Nixon, who is candidate 1 in the orange, or do you want Ronald Ford, who is candidate 2 in the blue? And then you're going to give me 3 reasons that you chose that person. So use complete sentences, and your reasons have got to come from here, or they're not going to be correct. You've got to back it up with the evidence. This is all you know about those candidates, so you've got to use what you know in order to make your decision. As always, if you need help on this, please get on that Zoom schedule. I'd be happy to help you. Any of your other teachers would be happy to help you. We miss you. We hope you had a great week, and I hope you have a great weekend. We will see you on Monday. Goodbye, Adams.